Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Struggling to understand lengthy research papers, or wasting time jumping between citations and figures? The goal is to make academic reading faster, smarter, and more accessible for everyone. That's where Google Scholar PDF Reader comes in, an AI-powered tool that gives you instant summaries, clickable citations, smart outlines, and seamless navigation, all in one place. Okay, first open up your Chrome browser. Now head over to the Chrome Web Store in the search bar. Type in Google Scholar PDF Reader. Once you find it, go ahead and click the Add to Chrome button. Give it a few seconds to finish installing. When it's done, open your Chrome settings and go to Manage Extensions. Here, make sure the Google Scholar PDF Reader is turned on. Also double-check that any other PDF Reader extensions are turned off. You only want this one active. Alright, now, go to Google Scholar. And search for Effect of Social Media on Mental Health. You'll see a bunch of results. Look for one that's hosted on academia.edu. That's your green. It means the paper is free to access. No payment or sign-in required. Click on the link, and it'll open up in a new tab. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Google Scholar PDF Reader automatically generates a short summary. You could also call it a study guide. Right on the page, you'll see sections like the introduction, abstract, and parts like risks of using social media, benefits for using social media. This summary gives you a quick snapshot of the paper, so you don't have to read the whole thing up front. It helps you decide if the content is actually useful for your research. And there's a brand new feature now called the AI outline. So what does it do? It uses AI to build a quick outline of the paper, highlighting things like the introduction, major ideas, and key points. It's super helpful when you just want to understand what the paper is about without going through every single page. So, instead of reading through 30 or 40 pages, you get an instant AI-powered overview. That means you can save time and focus on the research that really matters. Now, let's say you do decide to read the full paper. As you scroll through, you'll notice something really handy. All the table numbers and figure numbers are clickable. If you click something straight to that part of the document, that makes it way easier to navigate, especially if it's a long paper. And it doesn't stop. Their citations are clickable too. Click on any citation. It'll take you right to that referenced paper on the journal's website. You can check out the full source instantly if it's available online. If multiple citations are grouped together, clicking on them will show you each of those sources one by one. It's a quick and clean way to explore related research without jumping between tabs. This built-in linking system saves you a ton of time and makes deep research feel a lot less frustrating. And when you click a citation, you can see its full content. Alright, there need to use it in your own research. Just click to copy the citation or download it in your preferred format. Easy. There's also an option to save the paper to your personal library, so you can come back to it later. And right next to that, you'll find the download button. Clicking It lets you save the full paper directly to your device. You'll notice a few other small, but useful options too. Like, the ability to switch between light mode and dark mode. So, if you prefer reading in dark mode, that's just a click away. Now, let me show you one of the coolest features of the Google Scholar PDF Reader. Head back to your Chrome extensions. Click Manage Extensions. Then hit Details, under Google Scholar PDF Reader. Here, make sure you enable the option that says, Allow access to file URLs. That way even your offline research papers can be opened, with all the same smart tools and AI features. Let's try it out. Go to the folder where your PDF is saved. Right-click on the file. Choose Open With, and select Google Chrome. Now your local PDF will open directly in the Google Scholar PDF Reader, just like an online paper, complete with AI summaries, outlines, linked citations, and everything else. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.